to the channel, guys. You know what channel you guys are on. It's Forbidden Kings. Yeah, we're back with another episode, and it's gonna be kind of like a unboxing slash install slash part review, because there's a little something good for me on the back end of it. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here. So today we finally received my part from DND Performance. They are actually a pretty good site. Disclaimer, this product is intended for off-road use. Box did come up a little bent, but who cares, it's just a box as long as the part came out fine, which I already took a look at to make sure. So right here we got the welcome to the team DND. And as you guys can see here, D&D Performance Interior, that is their YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook page. Go check them out. And here is what we got for our new part. Hold on a second. D&D SHNS1. And as you see, I got it in the, I believe, tungsten silver, if I remember correctly. And better lighting. Here it says D&D. You get 2 prongs, which I still don't know what today that is for. If you guys know, do let me know in the comments below, because I don't, and everywhere I've looked or tried to look, I couldn't figure it out. So this product, it seems pretty good. On the R32 GTR, I did have the NRG short hub and quick release on there. Maybe I'll get the quick release for Christmas. Who knows? But as of right now, we're working with the short hub, and we're going to work with the same quick release and steering wheel setup that I had on the GTR. Same kind of material, very heavy, nice weight. Doesn't seem that much different other than the design, and that they actually come in several different colors. If you go check out their actual online page, you can notice that they have a wide array of different things. They've got seats, they've got short hubs, they've got quick release splines, steering wheels, and obviously their merch. So maybe D&D will hook it up one day and go and get sponsored. Who knows? Let's see. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull out the contents in the box as well. We've got a bunch of the screws and I forget what this is called, Allen key for the screws. So let's go ahead and look at what we're going to have to do today. It's going to be a little dark. Sorry, I don't have a flashlight in here. Alright, okay, maybe not. Alright, so underneath the steering wheel column, there are like 4 screws that I have to remove. Sorry, I don't have a flashlight to be able to show you guys. Alright, now after a long, hard, retarded problem, I forgot about those. I got it off, and now the next thing to do is to remove a screw here, here, here. That's gonna be hard to see. Here, and there's one down here as well. Remove those 4 screws. And then I'll figure out what's to come next, because honestly I don't know. I probably should have just YouTubed it. Somebody else has probably already done this. But all of us will learn on the way, so we'll go ahead and get to it. One thing we found out, this bitch takes a long turn to lock. Don't you agree?
Really long.
Yeah, long like something else. Alright, let's get back to the video. This is a nice drink. And I don't really drink that much.
Fucking Seagrams?
No, Shiner. It's the thing. It's the thing that what's his name gave us. Sean. From a while ago. Turns out there's a nut back here behind the steering wheel that we gotta get to, and it's a bitch, so I'm just gonna get to it and not show you guys me fail. Oh, why the fuck was it off? Did you even get it?
take 2.
This is just too long and too fat.
Alright, now take 3. Let's see.
Oh yeah.
There's money. This shit will probably be edited the fuck out because we don't know what we're doing really. Bitch slapped by an airbag. Nothing came out how it was supposed to.
I mean, ripped the plug out too, and something fell and hit my leg. Probably wasn't supposed to. Baby! Alright, which one was it turning? This way.
Now, watch how long this motherfucker takes to lock if it even locks this time. It only locks one way, guys. I don't know. Nissan Engineering.
18?
Bigger than that. 1, maybe?
21?
Yeah. I'm just guessing. I have no idea. It's always good to test.
Take a guess.
Well, what do you guys guess the size of this nut right here is? Guys, if you've already done it, you're not allowed to answer. If you haven't done it, answer. Maybe. I'm guessing it's a 21. I don't know. It seems kind of big. Oh.
It might actually. No, it's a 20.
It's smaller than a 21. It might be some fucking
It's a 20.
American size shit. Alright, here we go again. We went to the good old American standard.
13/16.
Yeah, that worked.
So if any of you guys know the equivalent, that would be awesome. Now the fun part. This is gonna be a bitch. They locked again?
You ever hate yourself? Then let's do this. Need some aggression to take out? Maybe break the seat and the steering wheel at the same time?
This is gonna suck so fucking much. What were you about to say?
Beat it around like all the corners.
Oh, this is what broke.
We'll edit that out. There you go.
Hey!
Money!
Money, 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 money!
We're in trouble. Hi, Rose.
30 minutes from his mind.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Oh, we're back here.
I took the whole thing with me.
Oh, this just now the metal back piece to yours should touch that, so you have a horn, but you're not gonna have a horn.
Well, I'll have a horn.
I don't think you needed that piece anyway.
I don't think I did last time either. So you might be right. Yeah, I'm sweating hard.
That's the connection for the horn. Put it down in the comments. Damn, it makes me look shaky that close. It's fucked up.
Shut the fuck up. Why is it D&D facing the opposite direction?
I mean, if it's crooked, we can always go back at it.
It's gonna be a whole lot harder though, because there's nothing to hold on to.
Well, I feel like you guys probably know how to do this much, so I'm just gonna cut it right here. Alright, I didn't think we'd be back this soon, but as you can see, I think I'm casting a little bit of a shadow, so it's a little fucked up, but the hub's going into this little plastic piece and it's cracking, so we're just gonna go ahead and take that the fuck off, because he's not gonna have a horn or anything, so...
I do have a horn.
Oh wait, shit, you have Hikis on this motherfucker too, don't you?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Well, we'll catch you guys back. Alright, we're back at it again with the screws.
Yeah. Jesus. Oh wait, let me go put the screw on before I fucking break my face. That was really about to happen.
About to break his nose.
There we go.
Like, we were talking about different things of content that people would like to see, and we don't really ever get that. But as we were saying,
the horn will be disconnected.
we all got a shit ton of cars in the illicit group, so if there's anything you guys would like to see, just throw it down in the comments. We kind of want to go through and show you guys what all we have as a crew as well. But
because the hike is the hike is one's gonna be the big problem. Metal.
Talking bullshit.
I think I'm gonna take the one that cuts metal, just trim it down so this doesn't get ruined. DND, don't hate me for this, but I kind of need my highest. Like in reality, if there was a way to push this metal ring out, I can get rid of this right here. Because the only thing that's holding everything together, this whole box is just holding 2-3 wires. Because I need to keep the ring. Because I remember last time we had to, I think we resoldered these because we took this completely off, or we cut it, I think.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, she's so loud.
Let us know if y'all could hear that.
I wouldn't be surprised. I love you if you ever see this part of the video. Which you don't. You just click on the video, hit like, and probably walk away. That's going in the final edit. Just to see if she actually does. If you do happen to see that part, do comment down below and let me know that you did see it.
It's not a wolf howling either.
That's Rose playing League of Legends. Cut around what?
Just cut this plastic piece. Once you get the ring out, just take some scissors and cut around it so you don't have to cut the wires.
I would still have to cut the wires. Because they go through here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just cut around this plastic piece so you don't have to.
Dude, my ass stinks.
We'll know when you get the steering back, wheel back on with the hike lights on.
Do you have the stuff to be able to solder if we need to solder again?
Check.
I don't want to do that if... Alright guys, if you guys notice, we trimmed all the way around so they're not having this large ass piece of plastic sticking out. So now we can go and put everything back together and maybe it'll work. So we'll come back and then we'll hopefully have it all put together so you can see it and I can review it. Alright guys, so we decided to put the quick release for the NRG on for the time being, but the product of the short hub by DND is actually really good. It's just like the one for NRG, but like I said before, it comes in different colors, works just the same as the one that I had, but it's also at a better price. It's a lot cheaper. All in all, it's a really good product. It works well, does the job. And as of right now, I have the NRG quick release set up on here. Hopefully soon we'll get the D&D quick release spline. I think version 1 is what it was. Hopefully we'll get that in soon. I wonder if Rose got the right color. I had never thought about that. Watch out. Now let me unlock my steering wheel.
Let's see how many hike lights we got. Walk to the back real quick. I'm gonna walk to the back and tell you to turn the steering wheel, lock it both ways, but they go. Oh shit. Alright, go ahead.
right?
Yeah, turn the other way.
Lock to the left.
Yeah, it's working.
It actually works?
Yeah.
What? Let's go around the corner real quick. Holy fuck me.
Camera's still on. Make sure that bitch don't fly and hit you in the face.
I'm turning it off. Alright guys, I figured I'd give you guys a rundown after a few days of driving it around and testing it out. But the D&D short hub actually works very well. I have driven it daily. As you guys know, that my R33 is my daily car. And it did very well. Did not seem to have any issues. A lot of people usually end up going with like the boss hub or the energy hub. D&D is just as good, if not any better, especially with the fact that they come with a bunch of different colors for the short hub, where the energy just comes in straight black, and the boss hub looks like the boss hub. But it does, as a disclosure for anybody who wants to keep Hikis, it does not work with Hikis, I believe. Just like the energy does not work with Hikis. But it did work out very well. I'm not looking to keep the Hikis. Energy just comes in straight black, and the boss hub looks like the boss hub. D&D is a really good product to pick from. Go ahead and take a look at their stuff. Like I said, I'll have the link in the description down below to their website. Go and check them. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next video. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which I had changed my Instagram to Forbidden Kings 1, I'll have the little bloop thing on down here so you guys can take a look. But yeah, go and take a look at the Instagram page. We did do some interior parts that will be coming in a video later. Just take a little bit longer to edit that one. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.